A recent article put out by Bigger Pockets titled How the Rise of Accidental Landlords Has Transformed the Housing Market. Now, this article is basically stating that we had an influx of new homes that come onto market, and kind of went into how a lot of sellers are not happy about not getting the price that they wanted or what they felt their home is worth. So what they're electing to do is put their home on the rental market, and thus becoming what they called the accidental landlords of these. So it wasn't something that they initially planned, but however, they had either three choices: either to delist the property, to to accept a lower price, or go ahead and rent out the property. And many are finding that they are going ahead and rent out the property. Now, according to this article, it's also having a major effect on the rental market, especially these large investors who went and bought single family homes back around 2008 when they were cheap from the credit crisis went due to foreclosures. So a lot of these people are running into situations where they are getting hefty returns on the money because what they were doing obviously is maxing out as much as they can, especially rent increases. Now, some analysts are going ahead and taking a look at this and basically saying that they don't see rental prices coming down. However, they may see those softening a little bit. So instead of maybe 4 or 5% going up each year, they may go up 1 or 2% each year as a result of this. So again, this is something that looks like it's a short term, because what the seller's intent is going ahead and rent out the property for maybe a short term or medium or maybe long term lease. And what they'll do is they'll wait till rates come down and then try maybe put the property back onto the market. This is kind of what the intention is on this. So interesting article on there. It does go into this. You see a big influx of this basically hitting the Sunbelt property or Sunbelt states, and you have places like Dallas had a 32% increase of this type of behavior, as well as 41% even in Houston. So some markets are getting hit pretty heavily, where they're taking themselves out of the for sale market, going into the rental market as a result of this. So what are you guys seeing in your markets? Are you guys seeing increase of people trying to rent out their properties versus trying to sell it? Or do you think people are actually just trying to sell and move on? Or do you think it's a good idea to become a landlord, especially if you don't have any experience? There's a lot of good benefits on both ways, but it's not for everybody. And love to hear what you guys' thoughts on this. And I'll leave a link down below for the article, and you guys take a look at yourselves. It does provide some tips for those who are looking to go ahead and become the landlords as to what they can do and what they can benefit. So again, take a look at the article and share your thoughts. Thanks.